Okay, this is SONIA-NYC. I'm opening this birthday present I got, and this hair goes. Which one should I open first? I'm gonna open this present. Oh, it's a cute little watch. Now let's move on to our hair goals. It looks like there are 15 surprises. Okay. Am I supposed to do this or something? I need some scissors. Okay, so we're back. Whoa. Oh, look, it's like a little hairspray thing. How do I open this? Am I supposed to? First, I'll open this. Is this supposed to be like a choker or something? We'll set that aside. This feels really tiny. Ooh, cute shoes. This is cute. This is like a cute little black shirt with silver ring that says bad. That's cute. With these short pants and these are stones. I cannot get this open. Ugh, this is taking so long. Oh, I got this open. We'll save this for later. And open this right now. You open it like this. This cute little bottle. This cute little top. Ooh, it looks like Son was drinking slime in here. Ew. This cute little comb. And now we're going to open her. Ooh. Cool. Let's see. Let's put this little choker on. Wait, what is this? I feel like this is supposed to be a choker, but it doesn't really fit like that. It's like a belt. We'll just put it as a choker for now. I'll look and see how you're supposed to wear it. Yeah, you're supposed to wear it as a choker. So we'll just leave it. Okay, that's good for now. I don't think this is supposed to go in her hair, do you? It's probably only for brushing it. So here she is. Where do you think I should put her? I think I want to put her on the runway. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay, we're done. Watch more SONIA-NYC videos. Oh, her name's Bhaddie. Tell me in the comments what day opened first. Okay, bye.